For what purpose would God gift someone with a mystical experience of complete union and light, and then has not reconnected since? Adrienne experienced this 34 years ago.
Yeah, I know. Well, for what reason? To awaken us, to give us a target, to make us try to digest this in a way that didn't contradict and make us feel that we are not in connection and haven't been for however many decades. I know what you're talking about. It shows a person that the world that we see is not the way that it is, and yet there is something. And that something is not meant to be alone. It's unity and aloneness are not the same thing. And the separation that you feel from it is a good thing. It's like a love affair. It's a longing to understand this and incorporate it into a conscious, ongoing, daily way of being. And it gave you a hunger, and it gave you a desire, a need for the right thing. And this thing, I'm certain that this thing is, even though you haven't been in touch with it for however long you said, it's more real to you than the world and everything that presents itself on a daily basis. That's what you feel is ultimately the truth, and it is. But we have to learn to live in that place. So that's what the path and methodology is about. How do you live in complete interconnection, in the unity of all of nature in a good and comfortable way? How do you accept eternity? How do you accept that complete fulfillment that you tasted, that you glimpsed as an ongoing reality? We do it not by receiving it, which is impossible and just will blow us out of the picture, but you can only experience that with others and in order to give, because that's what you experienced, is the pure giving quality that we call unity. So it gave you the right hunger.